Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a really handy piece of gear that many of you with modern mobile devices have probably been looking for. The 6.6 feet USB-C to XLR female mic link converter cable. This isn't just any cable. It's a direct bridge between your favorite dynamic microphone and your USB-C enabled devices like the iPhone 15, various iPads, notebooks, and tablets. The first thing you'll notice is its practical length. At 6.6 feet, or just over 2 meters, it offers a good amount of flexibility without being overly long and cumbersome. This is perfect for setting up a quick recording session, whether you're at your desk, on the go, or even conducting an interview where you need a bit of distance from your device. The build quality feels solid, with robust connectors that inspire confidence for regular use. What makes this cable truly stand out is its simplicity. Gone are the days of needing bulky audio interfaces or complex setups just to connect a professional dynamic microphone to your phone or tablet. With this converter cable, it's essentially plug and play. You simply connect your dynamic microphone to the XLR female end, and the USB-C end goes straight into your compatible device. This opens up a world of possibilities for mobile content creators, podcasters, journalists, and musicians who want to capture high-quality audio without being tethered to a traditional studio environment. Imagine being able to use your trusted Shure SM58 or Rode Procaster directly with your iPhone 15 for a spontaneous podcast recording, a quick voiceover, or even a live stream. The audio quality you can achieve with a good dynamic microphone far surpasses what built-in device microphones can offer, and this cable makes that professional sound accessible on the go. It's particularly beneficial for dynamic microphones because they don't require phantom power, which this cable doesn't provide. So, if you're using a condenser mic, you'll still need an interface that supplies phantom power. But for the vast majority of popular dynamic mics, this cable is a game changer. The compatibility list is impressive, covering the latest iPhones, iPads, and a wide range of Android tablets and laptops with USB-C ports. This broad appeal means it's a versatile tool for almost anyone looking to upgrade their mobile audio setup. It's an incredibly cost-effective solution compared to purchasing a dedicated portable audio interface, especially if your primary need is simply to get a clean signal from a dynamic mic into your device. In essence, this 6.6 feet USB-C to XLR female mic link converter cable is an indispensable accessory for anyone serious about their mobile audio. It streamlines your setup, enhances your sound quality, and frees you from the constraints of traditional recording environments. It's a small investment that yields significant improvements in your content's production value.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.